If you want to create a dotted line in Microsoft PowerPoint, you're in the right place. This is a super simple trick, but it can make your slides look much cleaner, more professional, and much easier to organize. Whether you're separating sections, highlighting a flow, or just adding a visual detail to your presentation, a dotted line is a great design element to know how to make. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the dotted line. Once you're on the slide, head up to the Insert tab in the top menu. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding objects, shapes, images, and more. Under Insert, click on Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear with different shape options. From here, choose the Line tool. It usually looks like a simple straight line. Now that you've selected the Line tool, move your cursor onto the slide. Click and drag to draw a line wherever you want it to appear. You can make it short, long, horizontal, vertical, or even angled depending on your design. If you want a perfectly straight line, hold down the Shift key while dragging. That helps keep the line aligned neatly. Once you're happy with the placement, release the mouse to place the line on the slide. Next, click on the line to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the small handles around it. This is important because the formatting options will only appear once the line is selected. After that, look at the top of PowerPoint and click the Format tab. This tab gives you access to the shape styling tools you need to change the line's appearance. Inside the Format tab, find and click Shape Outline. This is where you can customize the line's look. When the menu opens, look for the dashes option. Click it and you'll see a list of line styles. Choose the dotted style from the available options. As soon as you select it, your plain line will instantly change into a dotted line. If you want the dotted line to stand out more or look more subtle, you can also adjust the weight. This controls how thick or thin the line appears. A thicker dotted line can be easier to see on busy slides, while a thinner one can look more elegant and minimal. Try a few different weights until it fits the style of your presentation. You can also change the color if you want the line to match your theme or branding. For example, you might use black for a simple professional look, gray for a soft divider, or a bright color if you want the line to catch attention. Just click the color option and choose any shade you like. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created a dotted line in Microsoft PowerPoint that you can use anywhere in your presentation. You can copy and paste it to other slides, resize it, reposition it, or combine it with other shapes for a more polished design. This is one of those small PowerPoint skills that can make a big difference in how your slides look. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Microsoft PowerPoint tips. And if you want, check out my next video for more simple ways to improve your slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.